Yo guys, what is up? It's AJ and today is the day we're getting the vault bike. Look at this! 993,000 1k more. Money? Can you give me money? I just need 200. Oh my god. Yes, I'm at $1 million. Yeah, I'm at a mil. Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Like, duh, I am. I'm at $1 million. First time I hit a mil. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're gonna go ahead and, get the vault bike. First, let me just, quickly, use my snipping tool. I'm really excited. Oh my god, I'm really excited. Oh my god. I need to take a picture of this. Oh my god, I am really happy right now. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Print. Oh my gosh. OMG. I am really happy. OMG. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, you guys. Let's go get the vault bike. Oh my god, I'm really excited. Let's go. I don't know why I'm lagging. Whenever I record, I start lagging. Oh my god. I am really excited to get that vault bike. Yeah, boys. Let's do this. I am so excited. My hands are shaking right now. You guys can't see that because I don't have a webcam. Whoa. This is lagging. Wow. I guess when I record, I start lagging. But I'll have to handle it because it's for a video. Oh my god, I'm out. I'm at a mil. Yes, boys. Yes. What should I get? Vault or Army heli? Vault or Army heli? I am gonna get the vault bike. I think vault. In 3, 2, 1, bye. Yes! Oh my god, I have the vault bike! Yes! Whoa, what's wrong with you, Vaulty? Mr. Vault. So happy I got you, Mr. Vault. I don't care if it lags, but I love you, Mr. Vault. Body color. It's gonna be white. Alright, that looks better. Oh my god. Wow, Vault, you lag. Wow, Vault, why are you lagging so much? Oh my god, Vault. It's like lightning. Lightning's coming. Watch out, you better watch out, you better not cry. I know the way to not fling, just keep on pressing W, not holding it. Yeah, boy. OMG! This is lit! It's like the best day ever! I finally got the vault bike! Oh my god. Okay, he has to go. But I got that vault bike! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! I got that vault bike! I better hop into my Bugatti. Wow, this vault bike flings. This lag is real. I think when it's off camera, it's better. Okay, peace.